The way text is presented on your website directly impacts how long users stay and their overall impression of your website design. The easier it is to read and understand, the more likely users are to take the target action. In this lesson, we'll cover the essential rules of typography and web design. To start, let's clarify some basic terms that are often mixed up: font and typeface. A typeface is a family of fonts that share the same design features and construction principles. A typeface includes a collection of fonts, each with variations in thickness, width, and slant, but all following the same overall style. A font includes a set of characters, such as letters, numbers, punctuation, and other symbols that are uniform in size and weight. To draw users' attention to a specific message, designers use visual weight. This includes text size, color, spacing, alignment, and the shape of the characters. To understand how visual weight works, take a look at this example. You will most likely first notice the bold text in the center, then the text below it, and finally the smallest text at the bottom. The largest text has the most visual weight. This method is often used for headings and subheadings to highlight the content of different sections. If you want to emphasize a word or phrase, avoid using adjacent font weights like regular and medium or semi-bold and bold. Instead, opt for a larger jump in weight, such as medium to bold. Using adjacent font weights can be problematic because they look very similar in thickness, making your emphasis less noticeable to users. To create a clearer visual distinction and make your emphasis stand out, use a larger weight difference, such as regular to semi-bold. Organize your website's content with clear headings. Since users tend to scan pages rather than read every word, make sure each section's main idea is highlighted with a heading. This helps users find what they need more quickly. For long headings, reduce the line spacing to avoid disrupting your design's balance and margins. This way, your internal margins will be smaller than external ones, making your layout look harmonious. If your text lines are longer than 75 characters, increase the line spacing to improve readability. Also, use paragraphs to make the text easier to digest. Visual weight also involves letter shapes, which attract attention and convey emotions. In the next lesson, we'll explore different types of fonts and how to select the best one for your project.